this is Michelle from Michelle Home. Welcome to my vlog. Please hit that like and subscribe. I would appreciate it. I am on my way home. Sorry, y'all. Ooh, it's been a long day. It's been a long day. 9 to 5, 9 to 5. So, I am on my way home. I don't know, I'll probably do something to that porch. Clean that porch off. Take my umbrella down. My umbrella down. My chairs, get my cushions in, clean the porch off. Get that together. Maybe get some leaves up. We got a lot of leaves in the yard, so I'm about to do some of that. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do when I get home. I got to show y'all what I bought from Home Goods. I just bought some stuff from Home Goods. Alright guys, I didn't get a chance to show you the porch and how nice it looks out here. The curb probably right. As you can see, the leaves fell again, but that's okay. Oh my God, y'all. Hey, y'all. Whew. I'm at home. Listen, it is the holiday season. This is the fall season. I done decorated some for fall. Haven't did my Halloween outside or inside. I'm doing it. I'm getting it together. Okay? But the first thing, y'all, I got to show y'all big dry off towels. Honey, all white. $5 on clearance. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. I got 7 white towels for $5 on sale. Can y'all see that? $5. Well, yeah, 1 pack of yellow face towels. They didn't have any on sale, so. And oh my God, yo. Let me fix my wig and get myself together. But listen, 20 bucks. Wait, it was $24.99. $24.99. Okay? I'm trying to take this thing off without messing the tape up, but get that water on my finger. And honey, okay? And y'all know how it goes. You put the turkey or the ham or the roast or whatever, sit it on here and put it off to the side, girls. Yes. We're playing. Let's get this foolishness off my thing. Yeah. And there it is, guys. So pretty. Oh my God. Well, I love it. Just gonna set it back there out of the way. Oh my God. Let's see. Oh, it's hitting up against my hand. Maybe this way. Yeah, that way is fine. You guys want to come and see it over here? Yeah, so that is that. This one is going probably outside to put some yard stuff in. So that is that. I got my sausage over there. Let me turn these over. So we just gonna have some diced potatoes, some tea, and some sausage. Potatoes, turkey kielbasa, and a nice cheesy omelet with some tea. All right, y'all. Hey, we are here at State Fairgrounds in Wisconsin, y'all, in Milwaukee. We are here at the Harvest Fest, okay? I'm here with my baby. Look at my gorgeous girls back there. And my grandson. And there go Daddy. You know he don't want to be on there. Look, he said hey. But hi. Yeah, we here. I'm gonna go and get us something to eat. Oh, this is so cute. I like that green one. Look at the green one right here. Oh my goodness. That is cute. They got some nice stuff. Look at the dang bear. Like what? Oh, them. Ooh, the robins are gorgeous. Them is for the spring. gonna see y'all till later, but I just want y'all to see it's still going strong. Everybody enjoying themselves. The kids playing in the hay. Yeah, I didn't sleep good, so I'm getting tired, y'all. I told the kids go ride the rides. We've been here for going on 3 hours, so that's good enough. Look, y'all, what Daddy bought me from the Harvest Fest. This happy fall sign with the gnome and the pumpkins and a Ferris wheel. Oh, little weedy thing, his little boots. I freaking love it. We had so much fun, y'all. And then he got some cream puffs. No, I don't like no cream puff. And then the babies with their pumpkins. Pumpkin bowling champion. There go hers. My grandson, he got his. Yeah. Oh, let me show y'all my earrings. Hold on. These. Oh, they so pretty, y'all. Look at them. I got